Okay, so example number 2b, simplify cube root of 2 times cube root of 4 times cube root of 3. Okay, so again, multiply natin yung coefficient dyan, pero since walang number na nakalagay sa harap nila, automatic that is 1, 1, and 1. So, 1 times 1 times 1, 1. So, bali ang i-multiply na lang natin dito is yung mga radicand nila. So, that is 2 times 4 times 3. So, 2 times 4 times 3. So, 2 times 4 is 8 times 3. So, we have 24. So, cube root of 24. So, simplify the radical. Yung 24 is not a perfect cube root, pero meron siyang pair factor kung saan yung isa is perfect cube root. So, ang factors ng 24, so using prime factorization again, so that is 3 times 8, and 8 is 2 times 4, and yung 4 is 2 times 2. So meron tayong 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 3 times 2. Ilang 2 meron? 1, 2, 3. So 2 cube at 2 raised to 3 pala. And then that is cube root of, or cube root of 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Okay. Yan, so cube root of 8 times 3. So 8 is a perfect cube root. So lalabas si 8. Lalabas si 8. So 2. Lalabas si 8. So magiging 2. That is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. So lalabas si merong lalabas na 2. At maiiwan si 3 sa loob ng radical symbol. And that is our final answer.